Hi, I'm going to eat at Subway in Sweden for the first time. Can I please have a footlong?
A bread.
Italian bread?
Yeah, then we can go over here. Which bread do you want?
Actually, give me that one.
The honey
The
oat?
second one, yes.
Was it a 30 centimeter?
Long,
15?
footlong, yes.
A footlong, yeah. A BMT?
Sorry?
Was it a BMT?
BMT.
Italian BMT? Eller en Italian BMT? Alltså,
What is
på.
BMT?
Vad vill du ha på den? What do you want on it?
Oh, steak.
Steak. And what cheese?
Do you have American cheese? Or?
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you want it toasted?
Yes, please.
Are you having any more sandwiches or is this it?
No, just this.
What vegetables do you want?
Okay, I need everything except avocado, corn, and pickle.
Do you want olives and bell pepper? Because I'm just gonna, because they're out right now, but I can just bring it.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Can I have something spicy?
Yeah, there's an extra spicy
Yes.
sauce. Do you want salt and pepper?
Yes, please.
Is this all for you too? And
Can I have a water, please?
Oh, sorry?
Water.
Yeah. What water do you want?
Just
the
water.
original. That's 132. Do you want a bag?
No, I'm gonna eat it here. Is that okay? Is that okay if I eat it here?
Yeah, absolutely.
I got sandwich, chips, and water. It cost me 132 crown, which is $13 for US dollar. Show you the sandwich. Let's see how is the Swedish Subway. I made it a little spicy, taste like. I had so many Subway in US, and this is my first bite of the Swedish Subway. Not bad. I honestly can say taste almost same. I don't know which one is better, but it's good. I love it. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, because I'm trying to quit my job and do only YouTube. Swedish chips are not yummy. They don't add too much salt. I don't know what else, but it is not taste like American chips. Really good. I ordered water because I had too much energy drink today. I had 2 energy drinks. This is how I like to eat it. One chip, one bite of the sandwich. Okay. The good thing about Sweden, everybody can speak English. You don't have to learn Swedish to live here. At the end of the video, I will show you inside the restaurant. So stay tuned. Or fast forward to see the around the restaurant. It's a barbecue flavor, but not too much barbecue. No. American barbecue is very strong, the chips. Very good. Very spicy, almost. How I like to eat Subway? Chips on a hand. This is good. I don't say Swedish people are the nicest people on earth, but they are extremely friendly and nice. Sorry. I should brought more napkin, but so good. To me, the sandwich is a little bit cheaper than America. Little bit, like $1. I usually pay $14 for these, for water, chips, and the Footlong sandwich. So good. Oh my god. I can eat Subway almost every day. So guys, please, please, I'm begging you, please, subscribe, share my video. So this is the drive-thru. I'm gonna go and show you the drive-thru. I go all the way around. I don't see any car, but it says Subway here. The parking is free. You don't have to do anything. And this is around. There is Burger King here. There is a McDonald's here. There is Shell gas station here. American set.
Ja, tack. Jag är mycket bra.